In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink to a bookmark in Microsoft Word. Creating hyperlinks that jump to specific sections within the same document is a powerful way to improve navigation, especially when you are working with long reports, manuals, or structured documents. By combining bookmarks and hyperlinks, you can guide readers directly to important sections without scrolling through multiple pages. The first step is to create a bookmark. Begin by selecting the text or placing your cursor exactly where you want the bookmark to be located. This could be a heading, a key paragraph, or any specific point in your document. Once your cursor is in place, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on Bookmark. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your bookmark. Type a clear and simple name, making sure not to include any spaces, as Word does not allow spaces in bookmark names. After entering the name, click Add. The bookmark is now set, even though you will not see any visible change in the document. Next, select the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This text will act as the shortcut that takes readers to your bookmarked location. It can be a word, a phrase, or even a full sentence. With the text selected, right-click and choose Link, or go to the Insert tab and click Link from there. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box that appears, look at the panel on the left side and select Place in this document. You will see a list of available bookmarks displayed under the Bookmarks section. Locate the bookmark you created earlier, click on it to select it, and then press OK. Your hyperlink is now active. To test it, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the linked text. Word will instantly jump to the bookmarked location within the same document. Using bookmarks together with hyperlinks makes your document easier to navigate and more user-friendly. This technique is especially helpful for lengthy documents where quick access to specific sections improves both organization and readability. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.